Hello everyone. Today we are discussing about only one thing, that is angles. When I am saying angles, there are various kind of angles which are possible. If I make a line and we have to keep it in mind that always we have to mark the line with the alphabets. Suppose this is the line AB and on a point A I want to make some angle. So I can draw a line here which is intersecting with this. We can divide and mark a line here. So when we are going from this point towards this point, then there can be different angles which are possible. Like here we are talking about an angle BAC. Angle BAC. If in case this line, instead of going towards C, it can be either this way or this way. So C can be any of the point from this B going towards a angle which is actually a point D. So from B to D, wherever C is, we can define the angle BAC, and this angle is known as acute angle because this angle is less than 90 degrees. When we talk about angle DAB, so it is basically a straight line which is going over AB, and this angle is known as right angle, and the measurement of this angle should be 90 degrees, and the measurement of acute angle is definitely less than 90 degrees. If in case from 90 degree as well we go towards this where a point is E. Now if from here we are going towards D, so all the angle measurements in between will be considered as acute angle. If from a point which is 90 degree or known as right angle we are going towards the same direction, and we can go here, this way, and this point is, let's say, F. So from angle BA towards E we have this angle, and angle BAE is known as obtuse angle, and this angle is more than 90 degree while less than 180 degrees. If in case we are considering a straight line angle, then this is known as straight line angle or 180 degree. Straight line angle. So any angle which is basically on a straight line is known as a straight line angle or 180 degree angle. And above this 180 degree, we can make an angle from B going towards D, then towards F, then any of the point, let's say G, and this angle BAG is known as reflex angle, which is more than 180 degree. So on the basis of angles, we can define that there are these kind of angles which are possible. Now, besides this, when we make two lines which are cutting each other, then the angles which we make on the opposite sides are known as vertically opposite angles, while the angles which we make on the same side are known as adjacent angles. When we talk about an angle like ABC and we go for a line D in between, then the angle DBC and angle ABD are basically adjacent angles to each other. When we talk about adjacent angle, then there is one more pair which is important. One is complementary. So when there is a 90 degree angle and in between we make another line, so this angle is considered to be complement to this angle, or we can say when the sum of two angles is equals to 90 degree, they are known as complement to each other. Why? When there is a straight line and from a point B, we make another line. So these two angles are known as supplementary angle to each other, or when the sum of two angles is equals to 180 degree, then they are known as supplement angles to each other. So these are basically the different type of angles. In the next class we will discuss about the line, parallel lines and the intersecting lines.